Hello students, this is the fifth practical we are going to take for S5 BCom students. The name of the practical is Vital Statistics, it's practical number 5, in which we are going to take examples based on crude death rate, STDR, age specific fertility rate, total fertility rate and GFR. See the first example of 10 crude death rates for population A and population B given below. We are given age group wise population for population A and population B, as well as number of deaths are also given. So the age group, first group is below 10. For population A, the population value is 900 people. Number of deaths are 12. For age group 10 to 20, the population is 1500 and there are 8 deaths in population A. Age group is 20 to 60. Population value is 4500. Number of deaths are 38. Age group is above 60. There are 600 people and 30 are the deaths for age group above 60. Similarly, for population B, below 10 population is 800 and there are 32 deaths. For population B, age group is 10 to 20, population is 3000, number of deaths are 12. Age group 20 to 60, population is 4500, number of deaths are 48. Age group is above 60, population is 1400, number of deaths are 42. We have to find crude death rate for population A as well as for population B. So the formula for crude death rate is given as dA upon PA into 1000. So dA is nothing but the total deaths for population A divided by total population into 1000. So CDR, crude death rate for population A, is equal to 12 plus 8 plus 38 plus 30 divided by 900 plus 1500 plus 4500 plus 600 into 1000. So the total deaths becomes 88 and population becomes 7500 into 1000. So crude death rate for population A is equal to 11.7333 per thousand. Similarly, we have to find crude death rate for population B, which is written as dB upon PB into 1000. So add all the deaths for population B, 32 plus 12 plus 48 plus 42 divided by 800 plus 3000 plus 4800 plus 1400. So it becomes 134 divided by 10,000. So the crude death rate for population B is given as 13.4 per thousand. See the next example. Compute CDR and STDR for population A and population B from the following data, taking population B as standard population and compare them. So age group wise population as well as number of deaths are given for population A and for population B also. See the problem statement. Population A, age group 0 to 10, number of persons are 600, total number of deaths are 18, age group 10 to 20, population is 1000, number of deaths are 5, age group is 20 to 60, population is 3000 for population A, there are 24 deaths. Age group is 60 to 100, population is 400, number of deaths are 20. Similarly, for population B, age group 0 to 10, number of persons are 400 and number of deaths are 16. For population B, age group 10 to 20, number of persons are 1500 and number of deaths are 6. Age group 20 to 60, for population B, the number of persons are 2400 and there are 24 deaths. age group is 60 to 100. For population B, number of persons are 700. Number of deaths are 21. Now as we have to find crude death rate, we will write the formula for CDR. Crude death rate for population A is given as DA upon PA into 1000. So which can be considered as 18 plus 5 plus 24 plus 20 divided by 600 plus 1000 plus 3000 plus 400 into 1000. So if you add these values, the numerator becomes 67 divided by 5000 into 1000. So the answer is 13.4 per thousand. We can find crude death rate for population B as dB upon PB into 1000. dB is nothing but total deaths for population B. So the dates are given 16 plus 6 plus 24 plus 21 divided by population values are 400 plus 1500 plus 2400 plus 700. So the values becomes 67 upon 5000 into 1000. So the answer is 13.4 per thousand. Then to compute STDR, we require age specific death rate. So write down the given values, age group, population and deaths are given. We have to find mortality rate, MIA is equal to DIA upon PIA into 1000. And then we will multiply this MIA mortality rate with the standard population PIS. PIS values are the population values for population B, because we have to take population B as standard population. So 600, 1000, 3000 and 400 are the values which are given in the problem statement for population B. See 400, 1500, 2400 and 700. That are PIS values. Now PIA values are given, that are nothing but 600 plus 600, 1000, 3000 and 400, which are the population values for population A. Number of deaths are also given 18, 5, 24, 20. So we will rewrite the table as age group, PIA, DIA, and we will calculate mortality rate MIA as DIA upon PIA into 1000. We will multiply MIA with PIS standard population to get MIA into PIS values. So write down the age group 0 to 10. Number of persons are 600. Deaths are 18. So mortality rate we can calculate as 18 upon 600 into 1000, which is nothing but 30. 30 into 400 becomes 12,000. Then second age group 10 to 20. Population is 1000. Number of deaths are 5. So mortality rate can be calculated as 5 upon 1000 into 1000. So that is nothing but 5. 5 into 1500. 1500 is the population number of persons for population B, because we have to take population B as the standard population. So that can be written as 5 into 1500, which is equal to 7500. Next age group is 20 to 60. Population value is 3000. Number of deaths are 24. Mortality rate can be calculated as 24 upon 3000 into 1000, which is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by the standard population 2400, which is equal to 1000. $900 something. Then next calculation. Next calculation is age group is 20 to 60, population is 3000, number of deaths are 24. Mortality rate can be calculated as 24 upon 3000 into 1000. The answer is 8. 8 into 2400, it becomes 1,92,000. It becomes 19,200. Then last age group is 60 to 100. Population is 400. Number of deaths are 20. So 20 upon 400 into 1000 becomes the mortality rate, which is 50. 50 multiplied by the standard population 700. So answer is 35,000. Now to calculate STDR for population A, we have to add all the values for last column. So we will add 12,000 plus 7,500 plus 19,200 plus 35,000. So the total becomes 73,700. And standard population total is nothing but 400 plus 1,500 plus 2,400 plus 700. So that total is 5,000. So standard STDR for division A is equal to summation MIA into PIS upon summation PIS. So this total is nothing but 73,700 divided by 5,000. So the answer is 14.74 per thousand. Now we will find STDR calculation for population B as age group. Write down PIB, DIB, then we will calculate MIB. MIB is multiplied with the same population. So MIB into PIS, column values we will calculate, and then we will find STDR for division B. So age group 0 to 10, population value is 400, deaths are 16. So mortality rate is equal to 16 upon 400 into 1000, which is equal to 40. 40 multiplied by 400. So it becomes 16,000. Next calculation, age group is 10 to 20. Population value is 1,500. 6 are the number of deaths. So mortality rate is equal to 6 upon 1500 into 1000 is equal to 4. 4 into 1,500. So that becomes 6,000. Next calculation, age group is 20 to 60. Population value is 2,400. Number of deaths are 24. So mortality rate is nothing but 24 upon 2,400 into 1000. So answer is 10. 10 into 2,400, because population B we have to take as a standard population. So we'll multiply by 2,400. So it becomes 24,000. Last age group 60 to 100. PIB value is 700. DIB value is 21. So mortality rate MIB is calculated as 21 upon 700 into 1000. So answer is 30. 30 multiplied by the population of this group is 700, which is nothing but 21,000. Now we have to find STDR for division B. The formula is summation MIB into PIS upon summation PIS. So summation MIB into PIS, we have to add 16,000 plus 6,000 plus 24,000 plus 21,000. So total becomes 67,000. And standard population total already we have calculated as 5,000. So STDR for population B is equal to 67,000 divided by 5,000. So answer is 13.4 per thousand. So we will compare the STDR for population A and for population B. STDR for population A is greater than STDR for population B. Hence, population B is healthier than population A. Next example, calculate STDR for district A and B and compare them. Now what is the difference between the second problem and third problem? In the third problem, the standard population is separately given. So we will perform the same routine calculations. So age group, number of persons for district A, number of deaths for district A, age group, number of persons for district B and number of days for district B, and age-wise standard population is also given. See the data. Age group 0 to 10, number of persons for district A are 2000, number of deaths are 50. Age group 10 to 55, number of persons are 7000, number of deaths are 49. Age group 55 and above, number of persons are 1000, number of deaths are 25. Same way for district B, age group 0 to 10, number of persons are 1000, number of deaths are 20. Age group 10 to 55, number of persons are 3000, number of deaths are 30. Age group 55 and above, number of persons are 2000 and number of deaths are 40. Moreover, standard population values are also given. Age group 0 to 10, standard population is 2 lakhs. For age group 10 to 55, standard population is 5,80,000. For age group 55 and above, standard population is 2,20,000. So calculations for district A, we have to find mortality rate. So we will rewrite the problem statement as age group PIA is nothing but population for district A. DIA is nothing but deaths for district A. We have to calculate MIA as DIA upon PIA into 1000. So 0 to 10 age group, number of persons are 2000, deaths are 50. So MIA is calculated as 50 upon 2000 into 1000, which is equal to 25. 25 multiplied by 2 lakhs population. So MIA into PIS value becomes 50 lakhs. Age group is 10 to 55. Number of persons are 7000. Number of deaths are 49. Mortality rate is calculated as 49 upon 7000 into 1000. So answer is 7. 7 into standard population value is 5,80,000. So 7 into 5,80,000, it becomes 406,0000. Next age group is 55 and above. Population is 1000. Deaths are 25. So mortality rate is nothing but 25 upon 1000 into 1000. So answer is 25. It should be multiplied with the standard population. So 25 into 2,20,000. So it becomes 55 lakhs. So STDR for district A, we will write the formula as summation MIA into PIS upon summation PIS. So add all these values. 50 lakhs plus 40 lakhs 60,000 plus 55 lakhs, it becomes 1456,0000 divided by the population total, which is nothing but 2000 plus 7000 plus 1000. So it becomes 10 lakhs. So STDR value becomes 14.56. Now calculations for district B are given as age group, PIB value is given, population, number of deaths are given. Find out the mortality rate. Multiply the mortality rate with the standard population to get MIB into PIS. So age group 0 to 10, population value is 1000, number of deaths are 20. So mortality rate is nothing but 20 upon 1000 into 1000, which is nothing but 20. 20 multiplied by 20,000. 20 multiplied by 2 lakhs, it becomes 4 lakhs. Next age group is 10 to 55. Population is 3000. Number of deaths are 30. So 30 upon 3000 into 1000. So it becomes 10. So 10 into 5,80,000. Answer is 4,60,000. Then last age group is 55 and above. Population is 2000. Number of deaths are 40. Sorry, number of deaths are 40. So 40 upon 2000 into 1000. So answer becomes 20. 20 into standard population is 2,20,000. So 20 into 2,20,000, it becomes 4,40,000. Now we will add MIB into PIS column values. The total becomes 1420000. So STDR for population district B is equal to summation MIB into PIS upon summation PIS, which is nothing but 1420000 divided by 1000000. So the answer becomes 14.20 per thousand. So since STDR for division B is less than STDR for division A, district B is more healthier than district A.